Today, we're going to talk to you about Loom, a screen record software. You can use the free version, which only gives you up to 5 minutes of recording and some limited videos, or you can use the paid version. So I'd recommend playing around with the free version first to see if you're going to use it enough. We use it for many things. You can see here, I've made a tutorial for an assistant to learn how to pull title. We screen record our iGuide tours to put onto YouTube. We also use this software to record how-to videos for this YouTube channel. We also can use this to send information to our clients as well. If they have a CMA or anything like that, sending instructions, you'll see that most of the things I'm doing here are to do with the iGuide and what we do. How it names things is it just defaults to whatever the URL is. You can always quickly rename, and so it's no big deal to change it even if you didn't save it the first time. You can hit record by basically hitting on the bottom left-hand corner, there's a record button. Here with my image, when you hover over the profile image, if you don't want yourself as big, you can shrink it to make it smaller or larger. And you can also push the X button and it'll actually just completely get rid of the video feature so that it's just recording the screen and your voice. You can also click the button with the squares, and then here I am right in the center of the video. And then you can also click the one on the side that says camera effects. So I could change the background, or see, I could do whatever you're looking to do. So let's just make me back to normal size there again. And now also you'll see on the side here, oh, sorry, let's keep talking about the navigation. When you're recording, you'll see the counter. You can hit the red square, which is finish recording, and then it automatically will go into this library. If you click pause, let's say, I don't know, the doorbell rings or something, you could hit pause, and then when you hit play again, it'll pick up where it left off, so you don't have to worry about that transition. You can also hit restart. So you can completely, if you're not happy with the video, click that button and restart. And you can also cancel the recording and it could just go to the trash because you didn't like what you did at all there. And then it doesn't have to be taken off on the home page. So that's a navigation bar. In the library, if you want to take a look at how many times someone looked at it. Now, because we put these onto YouTube, we see there's 0 views and 0 comments and whatnot. But if you were to send these links to your client and you wanted to see how many times they looked at it, you'd be able to see based on the eye here. It shows you 2 people, this one 5 people looked at it. So there are some analytics on Loom, which is also great. It's really easy to use. That's also why I liked it. So like I said, you can have an extension to record on Loom, which is the easiest because if you're on a website or if you're doing some work, you can just automatically hit that. You don't have to come into this page and log in and then hit record video. So that's the easiest way to go about it. You can click on your notifications to see if you want to look at anything. So usually the first time someone views the video, you will get notified. There's a history to kind of show you if there's any videos being watched. And then, of course, the settings. So you can take a look at your personal settings. You can change your profile photo, how your name appears, your password. You can also connect this with your Slack account. Currently, my Gmail is connected. You can take a look at the workspace, and you can change the name. So instead of it saying Melody Wilson's workspace, it could say Melody Wilson's videos or something like that. You can upload a logo. Now I'm just using a light membership, so it's the cheapest one other than the free one. And you can change for display privacies as well. Now you can invite teammates. My teammates just usually have their own, they just use my login to come in, but I could click in here. I want to send an invite, and that's simple as that. Now I have another teammate in here. So if you're curious to play around with Loom, I'd highly recommend, just trying to get in front of video this way. It's less intimidating. You can send tutorial videos. You can send screen records of, your market evaluations. So you can go into your Paragon system or whatever system you use to run the numbers on properties, and you can record that. And then you can take these videos, and let's say I wanted to take this video. You click the triple dots and you can share, rename, move, duplicate, archive, post, download, and delete. So if I wanted to download it, click download. It literally is now downloading onto my desktop. This little link button here, the copy link, now that's copied, it's on the clipboard. When you go into any if you want to go into a Word or if you want to send an email, all I got to do is put Control V, paste, and then there you go. It's literally sharing the link of what we just copied right there. So you can put it anywhere you want. It doesn't have to be on the screen. Just wanted to show you what that looked like. Now, when you click share, it'll give you the options to actually share to your social if you want. So you can link your social media and you can do that. You can click the embed link. So you can also copy the thumbnail or you can change it as well. So here you can copy the link. There's lots of options to share the video. And actually, if you wanted to click back here, you'll see that you can actually share it at starting at a certain point. So you can say from the beginning, or you can change it from the middle, whatever you're looking to do. The other options here is rename. So we can rename that. I can take off the date and change it to whatever it makes sense. And then you can also duplicate the video. So maybe you want to do some editing, but you don't want to touch that specific one. So just duplicate it. You can move it because if you have folders, and we can create a folder to say new team folder. That means that everyone can see it. If I click a private folder, only myself will see it. But I can say iGuide Tours. And when I go in here, I can literally just move this to iGuide Tours. So now it will go in here, and now it's no longer, it'll be easier to find if I'm looking for all the iGuide Tours. You'll see there's like one video in there right now. If you archived any videos, it'll go in here. You've got screenshots if you have any screenshots. So other than that, I mean, it's pretty easy. Like I showed you, I can unpost it. You can download and delete. So if you have questions, comment down below. This is such a handy tip. How are you going to use it in your business? Are you going to send an email? Maybe just play around with it and send it to yourself, or get better yet, screen record and send me a video and let me know how it's been going. Have a great day.